Hello YouTube friends and families! Today ay Thursday dito sa California at ako na may nasa mood mag-bake kaya ako ay nag-bake ng yogurt blueberry bundt cake. Ayan guys, dahil gusto ko magbaon ng something sweet para sa aming boatcation this weekend. Lagi naman ako nagbabaon guys ng something na ginawa ko or something na binake ko para sa weekend vacation. Pero this time ay special at first time ko itong gawin at success siya guys. So, ito yung ating mga ingredients dyan. Siyempre, blueberries, yogurt, harina, at gumamit ako dito ng plant-based na butter instead of using regular butter. At ganun pa din yung lasa niya, pati yung texture. Sobrang masarap siya guys, na impress ako sa sarili kong gawa. At kung hindi naman yan masarap, sabihin ko naman sa inyo. Kaya ayan guys, so ayan, i-bake na natin siya at ayan ang kanyang itsura. Pero ibinalik ko ulit siya sa oven at binake ko siya for another 5 minutes, not 5 hours, 5 minutes dahil medyo yung other side niya sa left side ay ano pa siya, moist, hilaw pa yung sa left side. Kaya ayan, after ng 5 minutes ay eto na ulit siya. Nung inilabas ko sa oven, perfect na yung texture. Ayan guys, ang ating napakasarap na yogurt blueberry bundt cake. Amoy ano siya, apa ng made with love, baked with heart by yours truly, Bula Kenya. It's done. Look mga loves, ganda ng loob oh. And then, talaga namang ready na tayo magtayo ng bakery. Magtayo, hindi maghiga. Ito na nga guys, around 4 in the afternoon, Thursday, ay tayo ay pabiyahe na papunta sa marina at iyan ang aming Scruffy na sobrang enjoy at excited na naman. Syempre, love niya ang weekend dahil sa weekend boatcation.
This entire week, all these horrendous things have taken place wide open, and tens of thousands of illegal aliens have crossed it.
No. What?
Yeah. And the Scruffy is here. And the Scruffy is Scruffy. Alright. Open up.
The key.
Open up, open up.
Hey, what is this here?
He's excited.
Where do you put it?
Just have it there. That's the thing. Up, up.
He goes
Like
there. Oh, that's
What
right.
the heck? He's like, how can we get done? Dada. What the, what the? Oh, you got... Okay, mag-settle down tayo at habang nag-settle down ay mag-snack muna tayo at manood ng Republican Convention.
Things that he said he'll do, he did. When he told me and our country for saving the life of President Donald J. Trump, and his own words, it was you and you alone who saved him. We pray for the others that were injured on Saturday, for the family who lost their loved one.
Alright, ito ay Friday morning guys. Nag-fast forward na ako at bumalik kami para sa dental appointment ng aking husband para sa kanyang implant. Tapos nung bumalik kami dito sa boat, dala naman namin yung truck at yung Boston Raider boat. Kaya ayan tayo at weekend boatcation again. Tuloy-tuloy lang. At ako pala yung nag-drive ng boat papunta sa aming sleep nung dinrap namin siya sa water, habang ang asawa ko naman ay nag-drive ng truck papuntang marina. Kaya eto, still practicing guys, but I think mas matapang na ako this time. Mas nakukuha ko na yung mga tricks ng pagdadrive ng boat. Dahil mag-isa nga lang ako sa boat, hindi ko na din na-film yung pag-park ko ng boat dito sa aming boat sleep. Kaya ayan, nakarating na rin yung husband ko si Scrappy sa marina or sa dock namin. At ako naman nakapark na, hindi ko na talaga na-film lahat. Kaya, eto guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung video na to. At syempre may karugtong ito, kaya to be continued. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on my next vlogs. Bye for now.